Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Teacher, where we make English simple, powerful, and fun every single day. Today we're focusing on something every IELTS candidate needs: linking words. You know, those small, powerful words that connect your ideas and make your sentences flow naturally. Without them, your essay or speaking answer sounds choppy and unnatural. In fact, coherence and cohesion make up 25% of your IELTS writing and speaking scores. So today, I'll teach you 30 powerful linking words to help you sound clear, organized, and confident. And don't worry, I'll divide them by category, so you know when to use each one. Ready? Let's go. By the way, I launched a new podcast channel under the same name on Spotify. I hope you enjoy my new podcast. When you want to add information, not just and or also. 1. Furthermore, formal, used in writing. Furthermore, education plays a key role in shaping future generations. Two. Moreover, same tone as furthermore. Moreover, technology allows students to access information easily. Three. In addition, very safe and common in both speaking and writing. In addition, many people believe that health should be a priority. 4. What is more? Slightly conversational, but still formal. What is more? This method saves both time and money. Five. Besides, on top of that, more natural for speaking. Besides, it's too expensive. On top of that, the weather was terrible. Tip: use moreover and furthermore for writing task 2. Use besides and on top of that for speaking. When you want to show difference or opposite ideas. 6. However, not everyone agrees with this opinion. Seven. On the other hand, some people prefer living in cities. On the other hand, others enjoy rural life. Eight. Although, even though. Connect to ideas in one sentence. Although it's expensive, it's worth it. 9. Nevertheless or nonetheless. Very formal and powerful. The solution is costly. Nevertheless, it remains effective. 10. Whereas, while. Compare two facts. While men tend to enjoy sports, women often prefer cultural events. Tip: in speaking, but is okay, but in writing, use however or nevertheless for band 7+. Don't overuse for example. Here are better options. 11. For instance. Many countries, for instance, Japan and Korea, invest heavily in technology. (12) To illustrate. To illustrate, a recent study found that exercise improves concentration. (13) Such as. Some people enjoy outdoor activities, such as hiking or swimming. 14. Namely, two factors affect this result, namely income and education level. Like, informal, but great for speaking. Some people, like my friends, prefer studying at night. Tip. Use for instance, and to illustrate in writing. Use like and such as in speaking for a natural tone. You already know because. Now let's level up. 16. Since or as. Since people are living longer, retirement plans are essential. Due to. Owing to. The event was cancelled due to heavy rain. As a result, as a consequence. As a result, many people lost their jobs. 19. Therefore thus, hence, perfect for formal writing. Therefore, the government should take action. Consequently. Consequently, this led to an increase in unemployment. Tip. Use because for speaking, but due to, therefore, and as a result for writing. This helps you organize your essay or speaking answers logically. 21. Firstly, secondly, finally. Firstly, education improves knowledge. Secondly, it increases opportunities. 22. To begin with, to start with. To begin with, students should learn financial management. 23. Next, then, after that, great for speaking when telling a process or story. First, I prepared the slides, then, I presented them to the team. 24. In conclusion, to sum up, overall, use at the end of essays or answers. In conclusion, I believe that prevention is better than cure. Tip. Avoid overusing firstly, secondly, finally. Mix it with to begin with and in conclusion to sound more fluent. When you want to highlight your opinion clearly. 25. Indeed, technology has changed the world significantly. 26. In fact, many experts believe it's the best solution. 27. Particularly, especially. This is particularly true for young people. 28. Importantly, these results show the need for more research. 29. Clearly, obviously, the government needs to take immediate action. 30. Without a doubt, education is the key to success. So there you have it, to 30 powerful linking words to make your IELTS writing and speaking answers sound natural, clear, and confident. Remember, you don't need to use all of them. Just choose the right one for the right situation and practice them until they feel natural. Tell me in the comments, which linking word do you use the most in IELTS? And if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more daily lessons with Daily English Teacher.